Hey, my name is Joanna and today I'm going to be reviewing this neck massager. If you sit all day at a desk and you carry a lot of tension on your neck, then it might be worth sticking around to hear about this. So in the box, it comes with the massager itself, a USB-C charging cable, a wireless remote, and of course it has the instructions. So I wanted to do a quick walkthrough. So this is what it looks like. It has these plates where the EMS is. It has these acupuncture pressure points. If the top of your head is on this side, then this is what's considered the slow side, meaning it'll give you more of a gentle stretch. But if you turn it this way, and your head is over here, then this is going to be more of a more aggressive type of stretch for your neck. So I would say if you're new to this and you're trying this out, I would start with the slow side. On the side of it, you have this is going to be the on button, and it has what's considered grids. So 1, 2, 3. The first grid is the EMS, and so it sends little electrical pulses, I would say, like here. There's 6 levels to it. So I'll turn it on for you and just kind of walk you through just these buttons. So right now, let's go to the first grid, which is the EMS, and that has up to 6. So you can see 3, 4, 5, 6 levels. And then if you go to the middle grid, you have 1, 2, 3 levels. And then if you go to the last grid, that has 3 levels, and that's the vibrating function. And then of course, to turn it off, you would just go to 0 and then turn everything down, and then go to this one, turn everything down. This has an automatic shut-off time within 15 minutes. It does come with this remote. If you can see, it says heat, and you would just turn it up and down here, wave, same thing, and the vibration. It fits your neck like this and targets pressure points with 18 nodes and magnets. Plus, it warms up between 104 to 107 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for relaxing after a long day. It's lightweight, cordless, and works while you're on the computer, watching TV, or even working from home. I really like this because at the end of the day, when I've sat at my desk for too long, this is really nice to use because the heat just helps kind of melt my tension away. And it's not bulky, it's easy to carry, so it's portable. I can take it with me if I need to. So I really like that about this. This is also great during your work breaks, or if you're buying it as a gift, or if you're just treating yourself. If you've been looking for something simple yet effective to add to your wellness routine, then you should definitely check this out.